In this video we are going to see how to use turmeric correctly every day, to have amazing results. Enjoy having turmeric every day in your diet, which helps weight loss too. Turmeric is a powerful spice with an impressive list of uses and benefits. It's known for its antioxidant content and ability to work as an anti-inflammatory. What's so great about turmeric? The spice we refer to as turmeric is actually the dried and ground rhizome of a plant in the same family as ginger. Modern medicine recognizes its health benefits, and it has been used extensively in natural and folk medicine for centuries. Curcumin, turmeric's secret weapon. The secret of this ancient spice is curcumin, a compound well studied for its health benefits. Turmeric contains up to 3% curcumin by weight. Curcumin is believed to halt an enzyme that may be responsible for turning environmental toxins into carcinogens in the body. This is one reason turmeric has long been a folk remedy for helping protect the body from the effects of smoking or chewing tobacco. Curcumin may also improve digestion of fats and sugars and help alleviate inflammation in the digestive system. It is even used in the mouth to help alleviate gum problems. The benefits attributed to this bright yellow spice are often the result of the curcuminoids is curcumin, which is now available as a supplement and in many remedies. How black pepper makes turmeric more effective. If you've researched this ancient spice at all, you may have seen that many supplements and recommendations also include black pepper as well. Black pepper contains piperine, which has been shown to dramatically increase the absorption and effects of turmeric. Here are the top 10 evidence-based health benefits of turmeric. 1. Turmeric contains bioactive compounds with powerful medicinal properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a substance with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Most studies use turmeric extracts that are standardized to include large amounts of curcumin. 2. Turmeric dramatically increases the antioxidant capacity of the body. Curcumin has powerful antioxidant effects. It neutralizes free radicals on its own but also stimulates your body's own antioxidant enzymes. 3. Curcumin boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, linked to improved brain function and a lower risk of brain diseases. Curcumin boosts levels of the brain hormone BDNF, which increases the growth of new neurons and fights various degenerative processes in your brain. 4. Curcumin should lower your risk of heart disease. Curcumin has beneficial effects on several factors known to play a role in heart disease. It improves the function of the endothelium and is a potent anti-inflammatory agent and antioxidant. 5. Turmeric can help prevent, and perhaps even treat, cancer. Curcumin leads to several changes on the molecular level that may help prevent and perhaps even treat cancer. 6. Arthritis patients respond very well to curcumin supplements. Arthritis is a common disorder characterized by joint inflammation. Many studies show that curcumin can help treat symptoms of arthritis and is in some cases more effective than anti-inflammatory drugs. 7. Curcumin may help delay aging and fight age-related chronic diseases. Let's increase the intake of turmeric in our daily diet to get rid of chronic diseases and have amazing benefits.